Hey guys, let me show you how to insert a SIM card and check cellular settings on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Let's get started. And firstly, we just need to look at its left side. And here you can see the SIM slot. So to open it, we're gonna need this little ejector, which goes in a complect with the device. But you can use a needle as well, but be careful so you don't damage this slot. And now just place it in this little hole and slightly press, and after this just pull out this SIM slot. And now let's take the SIM card and place it in the right position so it will just click and be secured in this tray. And also it won't fall out. So let's just insert it back in the phone. Do it carefully so you don't damage anything. And that's it. If the network is not found immediately, do not panic, just wait a couple of seconds. And also don't forget to enter your SIM card's PIN code. And to check for the connection, you just need to open Settings and then go in the Connections tab right here and choose SIM Manager. And here you would be able to see the information about your SIM card. And that's it. Hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.